Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add shine to any of your jewelry with the help of Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Firstly, we'll create a new document. Go to File, New, and with a size of 1080 by 1080 pixels, hit Create. Press Ctrl or Command H to hide the guides. Click on New Layer icon over here. From the toolbar, select Elliptical Marquee tool. With the style to fixed size, keep the width to 30 pixels and height to 400 pixels. Click on the canvas and it will create a selection. With black color selected, right-click on the canvas and choose Fill. With content to foreground color, hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command D to deselect it. Press Ctrl or Command A and bring it to the center of the canvas. Now go to Filter, Blur and choose Motion Blur. Change the angle to 90 degree and distance to 600. Hit OK. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate the layer. Again press Ctrl or Command T and rotate it to 90 degree clockwise. Right-click on the layer and select Merge Down. Make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Press Ctrl or Command T. This time rotate it to 45 degree angle by pressing the Shift key. Make the size a little smaller. Again, right-click on this layer and select Merge Down. Go to Edit and choose Define Brush Preset. Change its name to Sparkle and hit OK. Now delete this file as we don't need it now. Head over to your jewelry image. Click here to add a new layer. Now select the brush that you just created. Keep the color to white. Make the size smaller by pressing the bracket keys and click on the ring to create a sparkle. Let's add one more to the another ring. Now right-click on the layer and choose Blending options. Click on Outer Glow and change its blending mode to Overlay. Adjust the opacity, noise and keep the technique to softer. Adjust the spread amount and the size of the glow. And with these settings, hit OK. And there you have sparkle added to your jewelry in no time. You can experiment with different jewelry images and let us know if this video helped you in any way. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.